What's up, everybody, and welcome to the Adventures of K&J. What's up, KJ Squad? So right now we are doing a room tour. We are here at Kalahari. Yes, we are back here for a staycation at Kalahari Resort here in Sandusky, Ohio. This time though, we are in a a two-bed queen room. So I'm going to take you around and do a little tour. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hit the bell, baby.
All right, let's get the tour going. Yeah, as soon as you walk in, you have the door here, and here have my lovely KJ. You have your sink. Hello, everyone. You have your sink. It has like a little coffee maker here. That's my cream there. But you have a coffee maker with some coffee and some cups. You have a blow dryer. You have Kleenex and you have some towels.
Isn't that how you say Kleenex?
Okay, you have a trash can. You also have a towel there. This is new that I've noticed, where you have the bath and body wash, also body lotion attached right here onto the sink, which is pretty nice. And let's swing over to the bathroom. So with the two bed queen suite, you don't get a jetted tub. You just get a regular tub shower combo. Is what you get compared to the suite where you had the jetted tubs. But this tub is pretty deep, I have to admit. And of course you have your toilet. Yes, and you have a full-length mirror. Let's go over here. Moving over here, you have a closet, which is pretty big. Yes.
Someone opened the safe.
Yes, you have, of course, your safe. Just a basic standard closet. It's actually pretty big. You have your iron board, your iron, lots of hangers, a luggage rack. Come on out, honey. And then I'm gonna swing you around. You do have, like I mentioned, the two queen beds here. Very standard. I will say that, that's my water bottle and just charging. You have a phone, you have lights. And then over here, because we are staying on the first floor, we have almost like a patio of sorts. You have two chairs. Let me see if I can show you guys. But yeah, you have your two chairs and a table, which I think is really nice.
You jump off of that big thing?
I think that's like a zip line or something. But this is
I think you jump off
the room. We are staying in room 1643. It also has a door that leads to the outside. And then you have your we have a little tables, bistro table sitting area. Yes, I've already unpacked our food item.
Hey guys, look at
and
this.
You do have a mirror.
Look inside of this, guys.
Yes, what you want? You want to see? Oh, KJ's money. KJ has lots of Turkish money. Here you have a door if you had a connecting suite.
Everybody.
Yes.
If you want to get my money, you have to find it in a parking lot.
Okay. Yep. Here, as I mentioned, this is the door if you had a connecting room. And then you have a TV, a dresser, and then moving on over here, you have a microwave. Mumu, KJ. You have you have a microwave, and you also have a refrigerator, which is really helpful. We're only staying for one night.
Yeah.
And as you can see, we've stocked it up pretty good. They do have 4 waters there, but I don't think that those are complimentary, so we won't be drinking those.
Yeah.
So I am going to go ahead and close it, but I do think that this is a nice touch with the refrigerator and the microwave. As you can see, we bought pizzas. And then swing you back to the door. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to show you the outside as well. So I just opened up the patio door there. Oh wow, it's very sunny out.
It is very
This-
humid.
Yes, and this is our patio with the 2 chairs and windows. So I wanted to show you guys that. Everybody, so I'm going to show you more once we get down to the pool area and some of the other amenities, because I think this video is only like 4 minutes, but I want to show you guys not just the room, but also like the pool area. We're going to go to the arcade later this evening, so I want to show you guys all of that. So this is like a room tour vlog, I don't know, situation. But again, I hope that you keep watching. Make sure that you subscribe and watch. And hit the bell button, and we will show you more once we change and get into our swim attire and go down to the pool. So we are back. We just got a knock on the door because we got a little present.
Yeah, for me.
Because I did the VIP, so let's see, what is it?
Chocolate.
Oh, it's it's 2 pieces of chocolate.
No, you like chocolate.
So I have to explain. KJ doesn't like chocolate. I have to explain. So I ordered the like VIP blah blah blah, and I did that just because I wanted valet and also an earlier check-in and late checkout. So apparently it includes some chocolate, and they delivered it to our door. Are you having fun?